In today's evolving B2B world, the inability to provide accurate and timely quotes and slow lead response time negatively impact the win rate. And that's where Salesforce CPQ software emerges as a winner in the landscape of sales automation in both B2B and B2C segments. There is no denying that Salesforce CPQ software can significantly accelerate the sales teams, but what about the customer journeys and experiences from the other side? Today, many sales rep guides their customers in selecting the right products to buy. Want to know how? Guided selling in Salesforce CPQ is a secret sauce to delivering the best customer experience possible. With guided selling, users can quickly and easily sort through an extensive product catalog to find what they are looking for. In this video, we'll be talking about the benefits of guided selling and how to implement it. Let's begin with the overview of the project and client's requirements. Our client wants to choose the product based on the availability of the selection list, which will be very helpful for the customers to select their favorite products in a short time. The client requirements are as follows. When we select the hardware as a product category, then all the hardware types of product will be shown on the quote line editor page. Next, if you want to select a particular product using the product code, we choose the product code and click on the submit button. Then all the product will be shown on the quote line editor page. And the second scenario is when we select the software as a product category, then all the software types of the product will be shown in the quote line editor page. We choose the other category type of product, then based on the selection, the result will be shown. Let's discuss what is CPQ and what is guided selling is. Salesforce Configure Price Quote software is the best described as an automation tool designed with a predefined purpose to speed up the quote to cash process. This allows sales representative to dynamically create and deliver quotes for different custom pages. Guided selling CPQ is an effective tool that asks questions about the customer needs based on the product options available. To do this, you create a prompt that asks the sales representative for the type of product they want to add to their quote and specifications. The choices are narrowed down to multiple options because Salesforce CPQ analyzes their responses and displays a list of products that matches their response. This process is called guided selling. Let me show you the steps of guided selling implementation. The first step is to create a code process. The second step is to create a process input. The third step is to create the process input condition. When we click on the quote and edit lines, it comes to add final product. Then the guided selling window is open, where we can add the hours, the chosen products, or any condition we are considering here. And this is the resulting window, which is based on the selection. Like in this guiding selling, I can select the product category, which is hardware. The second is we choose the product code, then we click on the suggest, then this category and this product will be shown in the quote line editor. Let me now show you the demo. First, we will click on quote and choose the quote. It will be any quote. Then we click on the edit lines. It will take few seconds to load the page. Then we will click on the add product. You can see here is the guided selling. Here is the product category, hardware, software, services, support, consumable. So if you can click on the hardware, you can see a product code. If we want to see the hardware types of the product, then we will click on the hardware and click on suggest. Then all the hardware products will be shown in the clicking on our suggestion. If you want to choose any particular hardware product, we will have to product code. If we wish to see the camera mic product, we will select the camera mic and click on suggest. So here is the product which we selected based on our condition. If you want to choose the product based on product category and default quantity, then here is the product category. If we wish to see the product quantity is 20, we can enter 20 as a default quantity and click on suggest. So here is the product which has an amount of 20. If you want to see the product whose quantity is 30, so enter a 30. Click on a suggest. Here is the window where we don't see any product because of this category. No product is available whose quantity is 30. If you want to select see the software type or the software category of the product, then we click on the software and suggest. You can see here the product which is of software category. That's all about Salesforce CPQ guided selling. Are you wondering how Salesforce CPQ can transform your business? Do you need any kind of assistance regarding the Salesforce CPQ solutions or Salesforce CPQ guided selling implementation? Cloudnology's certified CPQ specialist can help you increase the entire organization's efficiency and Salesforce CPQ implementation. React out to us today.